It's a long walk back to reality. She puts another brick in the wall of shame she made too long ago. Trying to figure out where things went wrong, searching through all the lies she told. Somehow she missed out on all the things she needed most. Today's been wondering why this life is so cool. Love that never changes. Self-confidence, another broken heart behind the painless smile that he showed. Reminded that yesterday is still so far gone, and tomorrow's still a miracle. Somehow he missed out on all the things he needed most. Today's been wondering why this life is so cruel. Love that never changes.